Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So for today's video, we are going to see some short tricks to multiply any number or to learn tables easily from 1 to 100. So without wasting any more time, let's start with this video. For the very first trick, let me take this number 27 into 4. So what we have to do is, we have to multiply this number with the first term, that is 2. It will be 8. You have to put 0 after this number, and now let's multiply 4 into 7. That is 28. Now add these two numbers. What will you get? You will get 108. You can also check from your side, and that is the easiest way to do it. Let's talk about the different number. 43 into 9. Again, multiply 9 with 4. What will you get? 36. Put 0 after it and add the multiple of 9 into 3. So 9 threes is 27. Now if we add this number, we will get 387. Now let's take another number. 64 into 6. Again, multiply 6 into 6, that is 36. Put 0 after this and add the multiple of 6 into 4, that is 24. So your answer is 384. Let's take another number. 97 into 3. Multiply 9 into 3, that is 27. Put 0 after that. Add the multiple of 7 into 3, that is 21. That is 291. This is your final answer. Now let's see another trick to multiply the number. If you find numbers like these, what you have to do, you can see here that 88 can be obtained by 11 into 8. 22 can be obtained by 11 into 2. And 33 can be obtained by 11 into 3. Right? What do we have to do now is, you have to multiply this 8 with 4. 8 into 4 is 32. Now, put this 3 number over here and this 2 over here, and in the middle, add these two terms. 3 plus 2 is 5. So your answer over here is 5. Now, for this number 22 into 6, multiply 2 into 6, that is 12. Put 1 here, 2 here, and in the middle, add these two terms, that is 3. So your 132 is the answer. For this number, 8 into 3, 24. Put 2 over here, 4 over here, and add these two terms, you will get 264. I hope you got these tricks, and it will help you to learn your tables fast as well as multiply any number easily. Thank you so much for watching.